Welcome to my channel, guys, and happy new month. Yay. As you can see by the title, this is my first YouTube video. I'm super excited and I'm also scared. You know why? In fact, I would have even done this video long time ago and just upload today, but I've been feeling that are my audience going to like me? Are my viewers going to like me? Am I going to speak the right English, as in all those type of things? That was what made me to be scared, or would you say nervous? But here we go. So I've written down few questions that I'm going to ask myself to introduce the channel and also introduce myself for you to know me a little bit. Time is going to come when I'm going to welcome your questions and do a proper get to know me video. But for now, let's just go with the one that I've written. So first on my list is my name. My name is Tamnotonte Abiye. I'm 28 years old, but on the 10th of this month I'm going to be 29. I'm from Kalabari, Akukutoro local government, Abonima, Rivers State, Nigeria. But I'm based in Port Harcourt, so you can call me a Port Harcourt based YouTuber. Relationship status: I'm single. Yes, I have a bachelor's degree in linguistics and communication from the University of Port Harcourt, and I also have a master's degree in communication arts from the Ignatius Ajuru University. Please ignore the background noise, guys. Employment status: my dear, I'm out of work. I stopped working December 31st 2021. That was when my station dropped me. I was working with a radio station. Due to all this economic issue, they had to let go of some of us, so I was among those people. Currently I'm an entrepreneur. Blah, blah, blah. I sell bed sheets and duvet. I am also a makeup artist, but not pro. My friend is the pro makeup artist, but me, I'm a pro gele artist. So on this video, in fact, let me just hold on. The channel name for this YouTube channel is going to be my name, Tamnotonte Abiye. Target audience: my channel is not just women based or for young ladies and all. No, it's both for the male and the female gender, because aside my makeup tutorial, gele tutorial, skincare videos and all of that, I'm going to do some give you health tips and all of that. You know that aside mouth odor and body odor, down there also used to have odor. Not only the women, no, even the men. So I'm going to give you guys tips on how to get rid of that, because some guys used to smell like that. I don't know if anybody can relate to, but me, I know. What is the channel going to be all about? The channel is going to be all about makeup tutorials, gele tutorials, skincare, lifestyle, and everything in between. You understand? I could just decide one day to do a fun video with my friends or my family. The next question on my list is what makes me happy. See, I don't want to embarrass myself here, so I'm going to go with the first one that makes me happy: my family. You understand? The next thing that makes me happy is food. Good food, that's what makes me happy. The next question on my list is what do you hope to achieve on this channel? I hope to achieve a lot, to pour out my knowledge, the one I've gathered from YouTube and also from normal studies. I hope to pour out knowledge to you guys, and also to bring positivity. Bringing positivity. See, I'm a type of person that it's just now that I've started becoming positive based on talks from my friends and even my brother. You understand? So I'm going to tell you how I went about that. Another thing is that I hope to bag endorsement deals to hair. That's why I need you guys to take me to 1,000+ subscribers and all of that, so that brands are going to see me and do a collaboration with me, that hair brands, even skincare brands. And also I'm going to say one wish is for my channel to get monetized quickly. I'm not going to put pressure though, but I really wish that happens to me, because unlike other YouTubers, I'm kind of like growing from the scratch. Even my Instagram before that was okay and doing well, they took it down with my business page, you understand? So now I'm working from the scratch with very few following, so I need your help. This is where I'm going to end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed hearing my voice. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to check my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.